Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Ultrahuman Ring Sizing Chart from the company Ultrahuman. This is really a great idea. I wish other companies were like this. Ultrahuman is a company that makes smart rings, and I went out there to order their Ultrahuman Smart Ring, the Air version. What they do on their site though is for free you can order this ring sizing chart so that when you go to order your ring, you know that you're going to be getting the right size in the ring that you want. And I'm going to be showing you this sizing chart. Really cool the way they did this. When you open it up, you basically have this little card in here and it shows you all of the different options for when you go order your ring. So raw titanium, I can see what it looks like, the aster black, the matte gray. So I don't have to just look at a picture on their site. I actually get a visual of what will that ring look like. So that's pretty cool. And then you've got the ring sizing kit. Again, this is totally free. Even if you decide not to order from them, it's kind of cool that you've got this in case you need to buy a ring. And basically what it has in it is some different plastic rings that you can try on. This company does not do half sizes at this time. They only do whole sizes. And all we're going to basically do is say, okay, which one looks like it would be about my size? Pull it out, slide it on. It's a little big, so that's the 9. Let me go to the 8. They're in here kind of tight, so bear with me. Yeah, the 8's pretty good, maybe a little on the tight side. This is where I do wish they had half sizes because I really think my size would be about an 8.5, but that's the ring sizing kit. Really great idea. Helps to keep you from having to return an item that doesn't fit. Again, totally free on their website. I will put a link to it in the description. Also, I am going to be ordering the Ring Air from this company. So I hope you'll subscribe and come back and take a look at how the ring works, the functionality, the app, so on and so forth. Thanks for watching.